it's your boy back at it doing another vlog, and today we're about to go to the Soul Factory. They're having an event at the Hartford baseball stadium. Definitely cannot wait to go. I've been kind of contemplating if I wanted to, like, bring the two Yeezys with me, as I can see up there. I was kind of contemplating if I wanted to bring those with me, and I'm gonna leave them here because I don't want to be bringing so much stuff. It'll be a burn, and plus it's pretty hot outside. It's supposed to be 90 degrees, so your boy won't be sweating. Wait to go to the Soul Factory. Shout out to them. They did made like a little little poster for me, which is pretty dope. Like I said, I'm gonna be vlogging the event, show y'all all the shoes that all the vendors have and whatnot. And I don't know, who knows? We might even meet the people hosting it. So I'll catch you guys when I get to the Soul Factory. So, not even like 10 minutes. Probably way past 10 minutes. I should pop something. Shout out to my homie right here. Oh shoot, it's kind of dark. Hold on. Let me just back up a bit.
You got the size 13 DUNKS.
Yes, sir. Hey, size 13. I can do that. And for a good ass price too. For a good price. Hey, what's your Instagram?
Rise Vintage, RYSVNTG.
Yo, you can take these, bro. I got one on my table. I'll be right back.
Get it, gang.
I'm about to go ahead and cash him out real quick, so give me 1 sec. So, as I can see, we're at the baseball stadium. But I haven't been to a baseball stadium in so long. Hopefully y'all can hear me, because they are playing some loud music, but it's not good. But the boy came up on a major steal. That's Supreme. Y'all won't even guess how much I got him for. $10 fucking dollars, bro. $10 fucking dollars. And the crazy part, guess how much they're going for? Damn near $1,000. Well, way above $1,000, bro. So y'all know, I'm gonna make some bread with that. Probably not 1,000, but I could definitely make some bread off that. But I'm about to go ahead, walk around some more, maybe get more footage, cause
this motherfucker. Y'all know how this shit go.
of the Soul Factory.
What's going on, guys? Your boy Emo with the Soul Factory, co-host. We're here at Dunkin' Donuts Park, man, in Hartford, Connecticut, home of the Hartford Yard Goats. Soul Factory, man, going down. Got my man here, cashed out a little bit, having a good time.
Not too crazy. Hey, if I had more money, mate, nah, keeping it light.
Yeah, keeping it light, keeping it light. Nothing wrong with that.
One question though, when is the next event?
When's the next event? You'll find out.
Oh shit.
You'll find out later this week. We already got another venue locked in. More details coming. We're gonna keep it a little hush hush. But let's just say it's gonna be another crazy different venue. You know, we always going different. Fuck them. I'm sorry, I can't swear. Sorry. F them convention centers. We going something different. We going something different.
Hey, I appreciate the hospitality and everything.
Of course.
If I was gonna make it to the next event, I will. But if not, hopefully I'll come back to Hartford.
Of course. We'd love to have you again, man.
And then, I'm gonna plug in your IG.
So follow all our updates, all our dates that we post and stuff like that. All the info at the Soul Factory LLC at the Soul Factory LLC, or you can our website is thesolefactoryllc.com. Check us out.
Alright, make sure that follow them on Instagram, all that. Make sure that stay up to date on the next event. Appreciate it. I appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Alright, I'm about to get up out of here before I spend it. So I'll catch up when I get home. Alright, guys, so we made it back to the crib. Like I said before, the event was really dope. Hopefully I captured a whole lot of footage for you guys. Honestly, for the most part, basically like a whole lot of shoes that I've seen before. But of course that I was able to post different other shoes that I haven't shown to y'all yet on the channel. And it was great. Similar people had some of my girl sneakers that were Tyson, of course. And it was really dope, met the host. I even met Sonny Kids once again, shout out to him. It was just dope. So of course I got some a little bit of pickup, light pickup. Nothing too crazy. So let's go ahead and go through everything. I got about like 4 clothing pickup. One of them is not my size, but came up on a good come out, and then of course I did get some kicks as well. So first off, I'm gonna start with the shorts. These ones right here. When I saw these, I like these look pretty dope. They're called let's see, Make Art Not War. Like hopefully y'all can see that. Get y'all like hopefully y'all can see that. It says Make Art Not War. Pretty dope shorts. This is probably something I wear like during my vacation or something like that. More than likely, so pretty dope. Got it for $5, so honestly that's pretty good. That's a good steal. I actually wanted this tee for quite a while. I prefer the black one, but you know what? This one is also dope. Got this Prince Purple Rain tee, size 2X. Pretty dope, pretty clean. My God, Prince. I never listened to Prince like that, but I do fuck with this shirt. It's really dope. This would definitely go well with my aquas. Like for sure. Like this one is clean. Kind of vintage looking, of course, but it's still dope. I definitely cannot wait to wear this. Also, $5. This is actually from this little crew called 24. This really dope t-shirt. $20, of course. Says 24 right there. Pretty simple on the front, but on the back, I believe that's Kanye. Like, this is pretty dope. It does say anti-social on the back. This is pretty dope. I actually really mess with this shirt. I definitely cannot wait to rock it. To be honest, I don't know what to wear with this, per se. I don't know. To be honest, I don't know. I don't know what to wear this with. I mean, I could wear with anything, but I just don't know what to wear with. I might end up wearing this to like the next event that I go to, more than likely. So toss that over there. You know, shout out to 24. You know, they did follow me on IG as well. This tee, whew, when I saw this tee, y'all, I couldn't believe my eyes. Y'all ready? And it's not my size either, but y'all ready? Supreme, baby. It's actually real too. A Supreme tee. It's called a Supreme Paris. Reason for that is because it does says Bonjour, Madame. It says October 3rd, 2016. This shit is a XL as well. This has the Supreme tag on there. And the crazy part, I got it for $10. 10 fucking bucks. Y'all know how much these are going for online, like especially stock. Like I'm sorry right here. Over a rack, bro. These shit's going over a rack. I might not post it for a rack, but that's a lot for a Supreme tee. So I came up. $10 for a Supreme tee. That's a fucking steal. That is a steal right there. Now the last one that we're about to get into. You know, I never thought we'd ever get these, but I'm glad I did. The boy, Nike SB. I had to make sure I had it upside down. Nike SB. Yes, sir, the purple box. That size 13. We have the Nike SB Dunk High Pro Reverse Golden Wire. That's a long guy's name. But, whoo, these shirts is clean, bro. Ooh, these shirts is clean. I'm about to put these on this table right here. But these shirts is clean, but of course, they're used. But honestly, it's cool though. The pricing for, they had it for like $170. I tried to get like $150, and it said $160. I was like, I'll take it for $160. My job, I was supposed to get these. The stock got canceled, so I was able to get them, but I got them now. Whew, these shirts is clean, but I can't wait to try these on. Like, these shirts is fire, but like, whew, I cannot wait to wear these. I'm definitely gonna wear these at the next sneaker event, Connecticut Sneaker Fest. I am going to that, so yeah, I'm definitely gonna wear these over there. But, whew, These are clean. But nah, that's actually going to be it for this vlog. Like I said before, let me know you guys think of the video, the vlog overall, you know. Did y'all want me to, like, you know, interact with more people? Do you guys want me to, you know, talk to more of, like, the seller? You know, maybe even ask questions or all that other stuff. Yeah, like I said before, shout out to the Soul Factory for the hospitality. Very, very dope event. Hopefully that could come back to Hartford whenever y'all can. I definitely will be coming next time if y'all ever come back to Hartford. And make sure y'all stay tuned for the next event. Make sure y'all follow them on their Instagram. Link is in the description. Or I will just write their name in the description. But make sure y'all follow them on IG and all that. And again, no, shout out to the Soul Factory. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment. Make sure to like, comment, and share this video as well as on my video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram so you guys get updated on when I post. And again, it was a dope event. And of course, stay tuned for our review of the reverse golden rods. These are pretty clean. I believe like they were supposed to come with black laces, but I guess they didn't come with it, so it's all good though. I probably would have kept with the yellow laces. Yeah, the yellow laces look dope. The black would have been dope too, but the yellow is fine too. So, thank you guys for watching, and peace.